Hey everyone, this is just a quick video to show you how to run the clean mode on the Sage Barista Express. Now if you've bought this machine after 2018 onwards, you'll find that the instruction manual that you get with the guide is actually incorrect. So the process has actually now changed with this, in that the rubber filter that you get with this to put the cleaning tablet on no longer has a hole in it, and what that means is that you're going to get no liquid coming out the bottom of the portafilter. The reason they've done that is because they want this now to have a backflow that goes through the portafilter and cleans the solenoid that's actually hidden behind this device. So it's going to obviously clean it better, and it's going to build up pressure in the portafilter, and then that's the water's going to come through back into the drip tray. So just so you know, I haven't seen any videos on YouTube yet that has got this correct, and people are still showing the old way of doing it. So if you've got a new model, this is how you do it. To start off with, you're going to have a single portafilter put into your, single holding coffee filter into your portafilter. You're then going to add the rubber little device they give you for cleaning with and put that in so it's nice and flat. Okay, so there's no gaps. And then you're going to add the cleaning tablet. Now I recommend using these cleaning tablets. I'll put a link below. They're a lot cheaper than the ones that you get with the machine itself, and these will last you for ages. So don't bother wasting your money on the ones that Breville actually recommend, or Sage. So once you've got that, you're going to make sure that that's put into place, and then all you're going to do is empty your tray so there's no water in there, which I've already done this because it's going to have water build up in there, and then put just a mug, something below that. Not a lot of water is going to come out of here. Like I said, it's all going to build up in the machine. And then also make sure that your tank has got enough water in as well, because this will go on for about 5 minutes through the cleaning process. Now the next thing you're going to do is, the machine's actually powered off at the moment. Let me just show you what happens when you switch it on. So currently mine has got the clean me light flashing, as you can see. So that's when you know it needs obviously cleaning, and this is when you run through this process. But to actually run through this process, you're going to switch the machine off, then you're going to hold these two buttons here and the power button for 3 seconds, which will put it into the clean mode. I'm going to have to put the camera down to show you how this works. So I've got my machine off at the moment. All I'm going to do is hold down single shot and double shot, and then I'm going to hold the power down for 3 seconds. And that is now running through the clean cycle, and you can see that it's doing that because the clean me light's flashing, and it's obviously building up pressure, and there's no water coming through because there's no hole in that filter. So don't worry about that if that happens. And what is going to happen is it's going to build up, and eventually it's going to power down. This is going to, okay, it's done now, and then it's going to start up again, and it's going to run through that cycle 3 times. Once it's done that, what I recommend you do is obviously remove the tablet or anything else that's left in there, wash out your portafilter, then run a few shots, maybe just a couple of double shots through this to make sure you've got no cleaning solution within the machine, and then you're ready to go with your next espresso. Hope you found that useful, guys, and let me know if you've got any questions in the comments, and I'll catch you on the next video.